ariko busheshe ohireho kurihirira abantu abasisikarirwe ibintu byabo mu ntekatekezi ekitongore kikakorekera kubasika cyona kurebekangwa amagara g'abantu abe bintu byabo byasisikaire oteriho no kutahirwa gabaje.
Project went ahead to make sure that there is an improvement in the livelihoods of these projects, which is structured around what we call the livelihood restoration programs that involve one, agricultural livelihood initiatives, where these project affected persons have been introduced to new ways of farming, to higher breeds.
Obusheshe yashoborera ngo entekatekezi yo kutereza amagara g'abantu omukiyayeta livelihood improvement project ndeza kugumaho.
These livelihood improvement projects are for a much more limited time, typically between 2 to 5 years maximum.
Ebyo bikiri aho wabereho umureberezi w'ubureberezo bwa Bunyoro Kitara Diocese Right Reverend Nathan Chamanywa yayetombeitira abantu abari kujanjaza amakuru gagwire aha mirimo y'amashita eri kugenda omu maisho omu kyange kya Bunyoro.
When you talk about things without facts, sometimes you can't back up your information. What we have seen and what we read in the papers, we read statistics, but now today we have seen. So we are in a position to say, no, gentlemen, what you are telling people is not true, because I have been there.
Omushachi weitu yagambaho n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abe bintu byabo byasisikaire oteireho nabo abe mirimo y'amashita yateganise umuringo gutari gumwe na gumwe kandi aba basima ahabwe mirimo ya livelihood restoration program abo kubahwera munonga.
In 2019 I planned 1 acre. After that the Living Earth start to support me with the teaching me how to plant, and also start buying cassava cutting from me.
And even cassava they gave us also cassava stocks. And in addition to that, when we grew those crops, at first some of them did not come out well.
Batuombekera enju, batwaire sente, bongera batuhereza ebyokulya kumara myezi 6. Then haho batuhereza kampuni yokweta Living Earth, batandika kutwegesa naitwe kubyara.
Okurijira Joseph Kansime wa Living Earth Uganda ekitongore kyapateine kushikirizeho regi yashobora kw'abahinzi hamwe n'abariisa baganyeirwe omu bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe omu ntekateekegi.
Teach their farmers through peer learning by sharing the experiences on the farm. And out of this, we have also formed 105 groups that are championing the marketing aspect. As I talk, the groups in this time around, this season, we have not gotten any cassava cutting materials to give to other farmers from outside.
Wahati abahinzi batungire embibo za muhogo, enyanya, watermeloni, oteireho no kubahereza amatungo agarumu embuzi hamwe n'ebindi. Makuraga gashakwa gada saba aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Bunyoro. Ebare gada saba aba makurago